And we're focused. So, Escort Mark 1 project in the third world. Where are we at? Well, filled in the really thin floor back there. Put a little piece in there. Started filling in over there, but it's not very nice, so we're going to attack that again. Spent almost a day trying to sort out the seat rails so that the seats move backwards and forwards properly. God knows why I bothered doing all that, but I did. This was fun. I haven't done this one yet. Basically, we got to fish the captive nuts into place and then tack weld them in. What I should have done was just use riv nuts, but that's just me, isn't it? So over this side now. And that's where I found out that none of the floors are welded to the chassis. Well, they're starting to be now. And then they left that humongous hole where the jacking point was. And there's absolutely no sill running along there. Well, there was. There was that. Not even welded to anything. The chassis is actually attached to the floor pan now. Even if it ain't award-winning welding, this is not going to be a £20,000 car, and I don't have access to Magnum panels. So we're going to do the best job we can do based on the kind of price I can get when I sell it. So, time for me to get back down there in the shit.